Hey, check this out. This is Viomi V3 by Xiaomi. It's a robot vacuum that has not even been released. But for some reason, Gearbest sent me one model for a review. And they didn't even tell me that there is an embargo date or something. And you can find a pre-order link for this robot in the video description below. So here we have charging station, charger, a water tank, another water tank. That's interesting. Yeah, because the dustbin is installed in the robot itself. So this robot has not even been released, it runs beta software, so it might have some issues.
Cleanup all is starting. Vacuuming has been paused. Vacuuming is being resumed. Starting to charge. Wi-Fi connection has been reset. Awaiting network connection.
Well, connection was pretty easy. And the first thing I noticed, robot speaks English out of the box. It connects to the English Xiaomi Home app.
Cleanup all is starting.
It definitely loves the other two robots. And it's definitely louder than my regular Xiaomi 1S. But looking at the specs, it has much more powerful suction, so that's not a surprise. And it seems both robots have very similar cleaning pattern. They go around the room and then fill the outline space. We can add no-go zones to the map or virtual walls. For example, if I don't want robot to clean this room, I will add here a wall. Do you think we are fighting or making love? Leave a comment below. Okay, I guess I will end this and summon 1S model to the charging station. Let's summon Viomi Model 2. And I guess it's not how it should work. But maybe I did not install the wire correctly and closed the charging base doors properly. Or it might be just beta software.
Turning on. Starting to charge.
So yeah, this is pretty much it for this short preview. Let me know what you would like to test me in the full review, and hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.
Dustbin removed.
Well, I forgot to empty the dustbin of 1S before the test.
Dustbin installed. garment has been removed.
And here is Viomi, which picked a surprising amount of dust from just one room, which is regularly cleaned by 1S robot. So maybe a powerful suction does make a difference. Well, stay tuned for the next video to find out.